As the night surrounds you, take a deep breath and release the weight of the day. The Creator is always near, offering peace, healing, and restoration. Tonight, you are invited to surrender your body, mind, and spirit into the Creator's loving care. Let go of all worries, stress, or discomfort, and trust that your Creator is with you, ready to bring healing and peace. Tonight is a time for restoration. You are safe, loved, and protected. Peaceful sleep awaits you, and with it comes the opportunity for your body to heal and be renewed. Trust in the Creator's healing touch as you rest. Creator, I come before you tonight with a heart full of gratitude. Thank you for the gift of today. Thank you for the strength you have given me, for the lessons, and for the love that surrounds me. Tonight, I offer you all my physical discomforts, my worries, and my fears. I trust that you will take care of everything, and I surrender all that I am into your hands. Lord, I ask for your healing tonight. Heal every part of me, my body, my mind, and my spirit. If there is any discomfort, pain, or tension in my body, I place it before you. I trust that you know what my body needs and that you are capable of restoring me fully. Let your healing flow into every part of me, bringing comfort and peace. Creator, I ask that you restore my strength tonight. If I am physically tired, help me to relax and rejuvenate. If there is any pain, I trust that you will bring relief. Help me to sleep deeply, free from discomfort, and wake refreshed and restored. Lord, I also ask that you clear my mind. If there are any troubling thoughts or worries, I give them to you. Help me to release any mental clutter and trust that you will handle what concerns me. Let my mind be still, knowing that you are in control. Help me to sleep peacefully, free from the thoughts of the day. Creator, I trust in your love and care. I trust that you will bring me healing tonight, both physically and emotionally. I trust that you will protect me while I sleep, keeping me safe from any disturbance. Help me to release all tension, all stress, and all discomfort, and fill me with your peace as I rest in your care. Lord, tonight, I ask for your peace to fill every part of my being. May your peace surround me, calming every worry, easing every ache, and bringing comfort to my spirit. I trust that you are working in me, bringing healing, comfort, and restoration. Creator, I place all my concerns in your hands. I trust that you will take care of everything. As I sleep, I know that I am safe in your embrace. I release all burdens, all fear, and all discomfort, knowing that you are my protector, my healer, and my peace. As this prayer ends, I thank you, Creator, for your constant love and healing touch. Thank you for watching over me, for protecting me, and for bringing me the peace that only you can provide. I trust that you will continue to heal me as I sleep, and that I will wake in the morning refreshed and renewed. Lord, I give you my body, my mind, and my spirit tonight. I rest in the peace of knowing that you are with me, healing me, and restoring me. Thank you for the gift of rest, for your love, and for your protection. Amen. Sleep well, knowing that the Creator is healing you, protecting you, and bringing peace to every part of your being. Rest in His care, and wake up tomorrow feeling renewed and ready for the day ahead.